Statistics is the science of learning from data, and I use the term science because it's a principled approach. Statistics is a discipline which is at the foundation of data science and involves the collection of data, the analysis of data, the visualization and representation of data, as well as the implementation of techniques that allows us to extract patterns from data and extract usable information from data. The ultimate goal is to make data-informed decisions and take data-driven action.
Being a statistics student at UCD, it's interesting. Something I particularly like about the course is probably the different challenging aspects. So I really enjoy the coding. I don't think I would have necessarily known there'd be as much coding as there is. I also really enjoy the machine learning aspects and like the AI. That's really interesting, but that definitely is a lot more difficult. But other than that, I think I like the whole application to real world problems in terms of like data analytics. Like you can see so much of that in the real world.
During the first stages of the program, especially during the first 2 years, students will learn about the foundations of statistics and data analytics, covering important topics related to computational methods and mathematics. The subsequent stages, especially year 3 and year 4, will be all about specializations and the use of the methods learned during the first stages of the program to solve real-world and data-driven problems. A core aspect of the program is programming and statistical software. In fact, coding and implementations of algorithms through code is a crucial aspect of this program.
So with the coding in college, I hadn't done any coding before coming into college. It was always something that maybe intrigued me because my brother had done a bit, but I'd never understood any of it and I never thought I would be able to. And then coming into college, we had like an introductory one in first year and then kind of eased you in, but any of the introductory modules really ease you in. They start as if you have zero knowledge. A part of my day in college that I particularly enjoy is probably going to all the lectures, but then you have your course friends and then you can like go for coffee with them in between lectures or go for lunch. I love the course I'm doing, so I find that really interesting, but I think you need the social element alongside it.
In the Statistics Through Science course, students have the opportunity to study abroad for a trimester within dedicated partner institutions. And normally partner institutions are mostly in the North America and Europe.
So I took an internship last summer. It was in PwC. So I spent 8 weeks there and I was doing data analytics consulting. That was really interesting because that gave me a taste of using some of the code and the theory that I learned in college and actually applying it to like real world data.
We are living the data revolution and the artificial intelligence revolution, and data are becoming a crucial commodity. And many sectors of the economy and society are producing constantly vast amounts of data. Because of this, data analytics skills are in high demand, and our graduates can basically work in any possible sectors.
After college, I'm going into a data analytics graduate program. So similar to the internship that I did, but this is maybe less focused on consulting and a lot more on just like raw data. I have a few friends who are going into machine learning, maybe machine learning and AI. Some other friends who are going into the CSO, which is the Central Statistics Office in Ireland. And then I have a few other friends who are thinking of maybe doing masters or a PhD. Advice I would give to a student if you're thinking about doing any maths at UCD would be to definitely do the Common Entry course of science, because it allows you to try financial maths or pure maths or maybe even statistics. It just gives you that flexibility and option, and it means in first year you can choose all those modules and see what you think and then decide from that. But it gives you flexibility that you wouldn't really get in any other course.
I recommend studying statistics to students who are curious about the world and they want to learn about the world using data to support the learning process.